How to log in into Trust Wallet account on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your Trust Wallet account on your mobile phone. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to log in into your Trust Wallet account, first of all, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into it. After that, you need to install the application. Since I've already installed the application, if you haven't installed it, then you need to open up your Google Play Store and then on the search box type in Trust Wallet and then click on install. But for that, you will be taken to sign up or sign in interface. In case if you don't have an account, then click on create a new wallet and then you'll begin with the enrollment process. And if you already have an account, then click on I already have a wallet. Just click on it and then you need to go through all of these terms and conditions. So then you'll be taken to this page where you'll need to customize your time. Unless and until you customize your time, you'll not be able to log in into your Trust Wallet account. Since Trust Wallet has a restriction or certain time limitation, so you need to customize your time according to your reason and make sure that you customize the time correctly. Once you've customized the time, next interface will be taken to sign in interface where you'll need to enter in your password and your username. If you don't remember your secret phrase, then you'll not be able to log in into your account. If you enter in your user ID and a password, you'll be asked to enter in your secret phrase, which is one of the most important information of your Trust Wallet account. If you've lost your secret phrase, then you'll not be able to log in into your account and it is quite difficult to recover your account as well. So make sure that you know your secret phrase, and once you enter in your secret phrase, you'll be taken to your homepage. In this way, you can log in or sign in into your Trust Wallet account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.